Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to make the website mobile friendly in Wix. So first is you have to go to the specific website that you want to edit, and here this is desktop view for this website. Now, when you go to the mobile view for this website, you can actually see the difference between the two. Okay, so right here you see a bunch of elements in the desktop view, and when you go to the mobile view, you can see that there are a lot of overlapping, especially in the elements, the text. So all you need to do is you have to arrange this accordingly. But you don't have to worry because it will not affect how it will be displayed on the desktop view, because this is the mobile view and how you edit things right here will stay as it is on the desktop view. Okay, so see for example right here you can go and click on the settings, and here you have the header scroll settings. Just have to select the type of head scroll tool you want to use, and then after that you can actually hide some of the elements or some of the header on your mobile view. So you just have to click on it and then just click on hide option, but you don't have to worry because it will really not affect how it will be displayed on the desktop view. Okay, so right here you can also edit the other elements to make it clear or to make it visible as possible. So you just have to go over to the settings of that specific elements, and then you just have to adjust everything accordingly. And once you've done, you just have to click on the X icon. So now that you see the mobile view for this one, now I am going to click on the preview for us to see clearly the difference between the mobile view and the desktop view. So here is the preview for the mobile view. As you can see, it is now mobile friendly or user friendly in mobile view. Now, let's see the difference when you go back to the desktop view. So all of the elements on the desktop view stay as it is. And when you go to the mobile view, the things that you have changed will stay as it is as well. Okay, so let's wrap that. You can actually how you can make the mobile view friendly on Wix. So you just have to arrange everything, edit all of the elements that needs to be edited. And once you've done that, you just have to click on the publish option at the top. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.